Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 3rd of August to 9th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. The Wheel of Fortune, the World card is over here. Might be going through a process, or might be you have completed some kind of a process over here. Okay, let's see what else do you have now. Last shuffle, please. So at the back of the deck, it's the Six of Pentacles. Either you are finding some kind of a balance because the Empress is also here, or there's some kind of harmony. You are going through something which actually involves a lot of inner growth and a lot of stability in your life. Eight of Swords. So I'm seeing that the overall energy which you are having, it's like you really need some guidance, because some days you feel that you are trapped. Some days you feel like what should I do with my life? You have nowhere to go, but that is your feeling. These ropes are not very tight. They are very loosely packed, basically. See, so this is something which is just an illusion of yours. You can just untie yourself from the situation. If you are in that situation where you are feeling like I am just trapped for someone or for something, you can just leave. You can go towards something more stable, and you can be the Empress over here. You can find that balance, that harmony which you are seeking for. This is just an illusion, a hallucination. So let's see. Your core energy is Four of Pentacles. Yes, actually you don't want to leave the situation. With this Four of Pentacles and with this Eight of Swords, I'm feeling that you really want to be in the situation. You yourself are not ready to just let go of some things, because sometimes you have to let go. Your subconscious, the Lovers, might be dealing with a lot of major arcanas are over here. The Empress might be a Taurus, Emperor Aries, Sun Leo, Lovers Gemini. Let's see, what do you have? Alright, so your energy, your core energy is Four of Pentacles. You are actually not ready to let go of some things, and the blockage is the Sun card. I don't know why I'm not seeing it as a blockage, but it is more of an energy where you are blocking your happiness by yourself. It might be like this, that the Sun was your overall energy and the blockage is not letting go, but it is this thing. Four of Coins is your energy, and the Sun is the blockage. The Sun is not a blockage. I'm seeing that you are blocking the happiness yourself because you are not ready to let go of some things, some situations in your life. Let's see. So your subconscious energy is a Lovers. Subconsciously you are in between of a choice. I'm seeing you are just thinking about, subconsciously it's just it's like a music which just keeps on repeating itself, and it's that it is something is there. We'll clarify what the Lovers is. Your conscious energy is Eight of Pentacles. Might be working, so might be it's like you are working, all your dedication is towards work, but your subconscious is telling you the Lovers is like your problems in your love life. So that is what you're not letting go, I'm feeling. The Emperor in the past energy, so might be dealing with a person who was very dominant and who was very much I don't feel that it's a person whom you are dealing with. It's you. because you are actually looking towards the past only. See, you are not looking towards the future. You are still in the past. In your past also, you were in the past. You were living in that past life, past person, past situations. But in your future, I'm seeing you're coming up as a page of swords. So that is a really nice energy, because it's this person is looking towards the future actually. He is ready to explore new things in his life, because page of swords is just a child, who just gets himself into all those things, like let's do something crazy. So that is something which is the page of swords. Okay, your energy is nine of wands over here, and it is telling me that it is actually telling me that you are blocking your inner happiness. The sun is a very beautiful card, but it's like you are trapped in a home, and you are saying, you are crying that I'm not getting any sunlight, I'm not getting any happiness. If you will not move out from your house, how will you expect that the sunlight will come to you? You have to take an effort. You have to do something. You have to take a step, that then only you will get that sunlight. All right, so this is something you are cursing, but you are not doing anything, because you are holding on to the past. You are not doing anything over here. The people around you, the environment around you is not accepting you. They are rejecting again. That might be a love offer which you might be offering to them, but they are not accepting this love offer right now. The guidance energy is the page of rods. We'll clarify it, and the page of pentacles as the outcome we will clarify. Okay, so let's see what is the energy. Why is the overall energy Six of Pentacles over here? What does we need to know? What else do we need to know about the overall messages over here? See, the Judgment and Four of Cups again. So it's like I don't know why I'm just getting this energy where you are just giving and giving and giving, and this person is actually rejecting and rejecting and rejecting. You want to give this person, you want to love him, love her, anyone, whosoever this person is, you are giving to a situation a lot, and that person or someone around you, they are just rejecting you again and again. And it's like your energy, you are this from inside, but you are blocking that energy. You are like, I'm good for nothing, I am useless. So you have made yourself that way. It's no one who has made you this way. You are the nourisher, you are the caring person, you are the empress. Do you even know who the empress is? She is very mature lady. The growth is really important, and that is what the main positive thing in you is, growing. Whenever something happens, you grow. No matter whatever is happening, you just tell yourself that I don't care. No matter whatever is happening, it happens for good. That kind of energy you have, but you are not letting that thing to come up on the surface. You are blaming others for your situation. And the Judgment, you really need to take a decision regarding the Judgment over here. It's a big thing, my dear. So let's see, what is this Four of Pentacles in your core energies? Why is this Four of Pentacles here? Strength and Four of Pentacles again. See how much stubbornness you are carrying right now. You are not able to even listen to your mind and heart are not in balance. You really need to balance these energies, because you have to let go of the past. What the Strength is telling me, that you have to take care of yourself. No one else will just come. A lot of Leo energy with the Sun and Strength over here, but it is more like, live your life. No one will come towards you. No one will ask you whether you have eaten or not. No one will come whether you have slept or not. Okay, so this is something you have to take care of yourself. If you will not love yourself, no one will come and love you. The Sun, let's see. See the blockage, 9 of Swords and the Chariot. See, this is the blockage. This is something which you are going through all night. You are crying, you are missing someone, you are just blocking your happiness. And the Chariot and the Sun, you are not moving on. I'm seeing that you are still stagnant. You are not moving into any new direction. You are just there. You are just in the past with this Emperor. What is the subconscious energy with the Lovers? See, it's like the betrayal with the person you love. That is what is going on in your head. That is what you are just thinking, that how did this person leave me? Why this thing happened to me? Why? Anything else? The World and 9 of Cups. This person is your wish come true. All you want is to reconcile with this person. You have made this person your world. Let's see what is this conscious energy. 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, 2 of Wands, and what else? Anything else? A lot of cards. The Magician. See, you have to take a stand of yourself. This is what these cards are telling me. You are indecisive. You are in between two roads, and you have not taken a decision. So you have to take a decision. Your conscious is telling you that you have to work on yourself. See, you have to work on you have to love yourself. You have to just keep on working. Whatever is there, work on yourself. Whatever happens for a reason. Okay, that is what these cards are telling me. Let's see what is this Emperor in the past energies. 2 of Cups. See, you are just looking at that happy moment in your life. You are still in the past energy. You were just thinking about that person. That kind of an energy where you are not ready, because this Emperor is very stern, he is very strict. This is someone who is very determined, and if you have decided to not let go of the past, so you are not letting go of the past. That is why this energy is coming in your side. Let's see this Page of Swords. Why is this in your future energy? Page of Pentacles. Okay, and what else? The Lovers. Okay, one more card please. Okay, we got 2 cards, the Sun and the Hermit. All right, so I'm seeing that you have finally decided to love yourself. This Lovers doesn't mean that your love which you were waiting for is coming back. No, it means that the love for yourself is coming back. You are entering in that zone. See, all the 3 major arcanas, the Hermit, the Sun, the Lovers, it's like you are entering in that mode. So this Sun, which was the blockage energy, now finally you have accepted the things. You are accepting in your future whatever is happening for a reason. You are loving yourself. You are entering in that mode where you really need somebody who is wiser, someone who actually the need of soul searching, the need of loving yourself, the need to take rest, the need to take some thoughts in mind, and you have to deal with the situation. Sometimes just waiting for someone doesn't help. Sometimes you have to look deep in a situation. You have to take care of yourself sometimes. With the Page of Swords and Page of Pentacles, you are learning something new. I'm seeing over here. You might be joining some kind of a new institute, new course, something new. Might be a certification course only you might do, or some kind of online, because right now online certification courses are going on a lot. So it's like that energy where you are going to invest some time, some energy, I'm seeing this energy. This is really beautiful, really beautiful. You are going to spend your energy on you. Let's see this energy of Nine of Wands over here, which is you. Why is this Nine of Wands over here? The Temperance. See, you are blocking right now. You are blocking that balance. You are not able to let anything in you. You are not able to let happiness come towards you. You are not able to let the balance come towards you. You are blocking all sorts of positive energies coming towards you. But there is some kind of thing which is going to happen really fast. You will try to understand the situation finally. Why is this Four of Cups over here? Okay, King of Swords. So the people around you, they are just cutting you off right now. I'm not seeing. Okay, so I'm sorry, but this fell like reversed, so I will take it reverse only. Eight of Wands. Communication. This means communication. This means no communication. So I'm not seeing any communication from the other parties, and if you are dealing with someone whom you are waiting for, no communication right now. Let's see why is this Page of Rods in the guidance energy. Okay, the High Priestess, Eight of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. See, these guidance messages are also telling us that if you really want to work on yourself. You want to grow within yourself, because this Page of Rods is that a card of full of passion, full of new spirit. Go and start your new work, whatever this is. If you really love to paint, go and paint. If you love to go outside, do some gardening, go, because listen to your inner feelings, because High Priestess, she means a lot. She's a very beautiful card. It is a very beautiful card. I really love this card, because this means that if that person is meant to come to you, it will come in the divine timing. Otherwise, do not wait for anything. Just go on, move on, be the Queen of Pentacles, be mature, grow within yourself. When you become beautiful, you attract more people. When you are happy within yourself, when you are crying, you are talking to everyone, and then also you are crying, no one would love to come to you, no. But when you will grow within yourself, when you will start doing something, when you will start earning money, people, they just attract people as well at that time. So that is really important. Loving yourself is really important. Let's see this Page of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and Eight of Swords. I'm seeing that you are ending. See, the first energy was Eight of Swords, and now with Eight of Swords, the Ten of Swords. That means you are ending that energy of feeling like you are caught. You are ending that energy, and you are entering into something which will give you it might be a long procedure, because with the Page of Pentacles, it means that whatever is coming towards you, it will come slow. Your process, your progress will come slow, but it will stay. Okay, so let's see what are the advice from the universe, what the universe has to say in regards with the situation. Any advice for my Aquarians, please? Two of Swords. What else? Seven of Cups. Okay, what else? And Page of Cups. All right. So the universe is telling you that I think that universe is giving you a hint that many things are coming your way. You might be so busy at a point that you might not even understand that what is there. A lot of confusion might be coming towards you, because a lot of job opportunities, a lot of other situations are coming your way. You have to deal with a lot of stuff. It's not just about love life, it is about your home life, it is about everything in your life, every aspect of your life. You have to deal with everything, and it might come suddenly. You might not even know when and from where it is coming. So just be prepared for some instant things coming up in your life. All right, Aquarians, that's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.